in the National Museum of Computing. We have a collection of the world's oldest computers, right the way through from the world's first ever electronic computer, which is Colossus, all the way through to modern computing with the smartphone. We have computers from the 1960s and 70s with massive mainframes, which are incredibly expensive. And then we work our way through to more modern machines, PCs from the late 1970s, early 1980s. And we've got an ever popular collection of games as well to play on from those kind of generations. So we're very lucky that we get visitors from all different walks of life and all different backgrounds, especially a lot of school visits, which is really lovely. Some of the visitors that we have specific needs. So we've worked with groups of younger people with dementia, we've worked with families of people with autism, and all sorts of different groups. Many of our computers make very strange noises, and we have very different light levels in different galleries, and so that can become quite overloading for people with sensory issues. Using PRTG, we've been able to introduce a live map where you can go on the website and you can see which areas are currently noisy or currently quiet, and you can map your visit accordingly. It's going to make such a difference to our visitors.
There are several factors that prevent autistic children and their families from visiting a museum, and noise is an important factor. The question was, can we develop a device that measures and visualizes the volume in the rooms in real time?
But one of the things that we're also doing, which we're really excited about, is we have 3D printed visual representations of the current noise in some of our galleries.
Technically, we determine the volume level here. A microcontroller, in this case Ladunia, converts the values into light signals. If it's quiet enough, all levels glow in rainbow color. If the opposite is the case, the device behaves like a VU, a volume unit meter.
And one of the things we believe really strongly is that everybody should be welcome to visit the National Museum of Computing.
I believe we have succeeded, and we're happy to be able to make a special contribution for these special children.